Okay, so everyone knows that Packhams get superficial scald problems, and we know SmartFresh or 1MCP can prevent it or control it, but we have ripening issues with that, especially if you do it straight after harvest. So we thought, okay, what about Harvista? Can we do Harvista pre-harvest 1MCP application and prevent the superficial scald? So that was the rationale, the objective, that was what it was. We wanted to see, can we prevent superficial scald? Okay, so what we did is we found a Packham's orchard. At the release or early optimum, we did a 1x application, 1x or the recommended dose of Harvista, and then also a double application. 3 days later, we harvested the fruit, went into cold storage, and then also after 7 days later, we did another Harvista application, new part, not the same fruit, which was at optimum, and then 7 to 10 days later, we did a late optimum application, same scenario. 3 days later, we harvested the fruit. Okay, then we stored them 3, 5, and 7 months in RA, so you can ask who the heck stores Packhams that long in RA. Well, for trial purposes, when you want a defect, you do it. So, okay. So on this graph, we've got the superficial scald. There's your 3 months, 5 months, and 7 months storage. We got the harvest 1, harvest 2, harvest 3, and the end of shelf is obviously after your cold storage plus a 7-day at 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that is after 3 months. We didn't get scald on our control fruit. We got high scald on the control fruit of our 5 month and 7 month storage. Then with our Harvista, got the reduced levels, still high, but reduced levels, and with the 2x similar. And then 2017 results, the same scenario. We got very high superficial scald in our control fruit, and we had reduced levels of scald on our Harvista treated fruit and also on the double application. Okay, so what does it tell us? Superficial scald, it can reduce Harvista, but it doesn't control it. Reduce the scald, but not control the scald. We had some ripening issues. I didn't show graphs of it, but some of the Harvista applications, the fruit didn't ripen. Typical SmartFresh application after harvest to Packham's pears, the pears doesn't ripen. Sometimes we got that also. Okay, so what should we do? I think future research should include combinations with DCA with Harvista or DCA with Harvista with SmartFresh, and also include the timing and the ripening. We should also play around with. So that's it.